Hello everyone, myself Professor Vikas Desai, Assistant Professor at E&TC Department from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today we are going to discuss the virtual functions in C++. The virtual functions plays a vital role in achieving a runtime polymorphism. A virtual function is nothing but a member function of a base class that you redefine in a derived class. The property of redefining a member function in a derived class is also called a function overriding. A base class pointer has the capability to point to the object of the base class and the derived class. Rules for the virtual function in C++. Since we already specify the member function to be a virtual function in the base class with the help of the virtual keyword. Now we need not again specify it while defining it in the derived class. A member function of the base class cannot be a virtual function and a friend function simultaneously. A member function of the base class cannot be a virtual function with the keyword static. We can access a virtual functions only with the help of pointer or a reference. Continue with the rules. The basic model of a virtual function in the base class should be similar while redefining it in the derived class. It is not necessary to redefine the virtual function in the derived class. If the virtual function is not overridden, then we can use the original function declare or define in the base class. It is not possible to introduce a virtual constructor inside the class, although it is possible to introduce a virtual destructor. So, how to use a pure virtual function that we are going to discuss now. The pure virtual function, it is not implemented, only declare it. A pure virtual function is declared by assigning a 0 in a declaration. So, example in abstract class. For example, we declare here a virtual function with the name show and we assign the value equals to 0. So by the statement meaning is we are declaring the pure virtual function. So if any virtual function is assigned with the 0 value, we can identify it is a pure virtual function. To study this concept in detail, this is the example. Here the class name is base. We are declaring a virtual function with a value initialization equals to 0. That means we are declaring a show function as a pure virtual function in a public visibility mode. After the closing of a class base, we define it. To define a function outside the class, if that same function is declared inside the class, we need to use a scope resolution operator. So the statement is void base scope resolution operator and the function name is show. With the help of a base class, we derived a new class with a name derived. Now we are going to redefine the show function, that is nothing but a pure virtual function inside the derived class. As you can see here, as per the rules, to access the virtual function, we need to use a pointer variable or a reference variable. So to call the function inside the main, first we create a pointer variable for the base class. Then we create a object for the base class pointer object. Then we create an object for the derived class. After that, we assign the address of a derived class object to a class object base, and through that we call the function pure virtual function, that is nothing but the show. So because of this, whichever the definition written inside the derived class for the function show, that will be going to display it. So in this way the pure virtual function is used. Thank you.